Hello, I'm Clayton Birch, State Superintendent of Schools. Here we are in the summer after a year that's been so difficult. Summer Soul has begun. That is the launch of the summer programs across all the counties. And if you're not aware, Summer Soul stands for Student Opportunities for Learning and Engagement. It's our way of trying to address everything children have lost: time, education opportunities, a chance to be around each other, socialize, and each county is taking advantage of this. The Department of Education, through its allocations of federal funds, decided to put its federal dollars from ESSER 2, $34 million, into summer programming. We are so proud of each and every county stepping up. Using the department's dollars, we have a combined 280 weeks of Summer Soul programming across 476 sites. These sites are made up of 221 elementary schools, 140 middle schools, and 150 high school sites. Collaborative teams representing various offices within the department have begun to visit the sites. We actually want to get out and see how impressive and how engaging these opportunities are for young children. Again, I'm so proud of each and every county and all the adults who have stepped forward to help our children during the summer. In this week's Keeping Connected, we visit Kanawha County's Summer Academy, talk to teachers and students who are experiencing a very different type of summer learning.
When we got the Summer Soul grant, Kanawha County looked at our high school students a little bit differently than our middle and then our elementary schools. So our academy consists of an enrichment component and then a credit recovery component, which there are two different timelines, but kids can participate in both of them. The enrichment side of it is more maybe do an art class, participate in band, work with chemistry, work with foreign language. And then the credit recovery side are kids that may be deficient in an area. We're looking at their core subjects mostly, but they can take elective courses and trying to get them focused going into the 21-22 school year and get them to their 24 credits in order to graduate.
Our academy here at Ben Franklin Career Center is a 4-week academy running the month of June, and it is designed to give summer enrichment opportunities to students. This is an opportunity for the students to be able to continue at the end of the school year to have enrichment in their 4 core subjects while also being introduced to some of the career and technical programs here at Ben Franklin Career Center.
Enrichment is very important to me due to the fact of the pandemic taking place last year, and some of us were in and out of school, virtual, e-learning, in person, whatever you did. It's important that we get back into the groove of things since things are starting to open back up. But I think it's important because it's helping everybody get caught up, and especially with my dance team, it's giving us a better opportunity to teach the upcoming freshmen the new sidelines and dances.
And credit recovery at Nitro High School, we have several students with the pandemic that need to recover some credits. This allows the students to come in and work with our teachers here at the school to recover those credits, but at the same time we have them participate in enrichment activities to prepare them moving into the next school year.
We have, right now this summer, we're offering 3 of the career programs, 3 career programs. There's an automotive program that the students are doing, an electrical program where students are all going to be able to leave with a lamp that they've made themselves in the program, and then a machine and wood carving program, also sheet metal where the students learn how to do that. And there's also a physical education aspect to it, but those are the 3 main programs, and all the students will go through on a rotating basis.
Enrichment activities have allowed students and teachers to build more relationships with one another. It's just building that connection before they go back into the school year. So many of them have not met their teachers or have not seen their teachers in a year and a half. So it's just to bring that normalcy back to the schools.
But it is helping out a lot because we're, like I said, we're teaching, and it's just a good thing to get outside, get some fresh air, and learn things every day.